we are gonna solve one more problem based on complex number. So for that, here a condition is given that if mod of z minus 1 is less than mod of z plus 1, then we have to prove that the real part of z is greater than 0. So guys, let me tell you, this R and E represents real part of z. So z is a complex number, so it has two parts, real and imaginary. So real part is generally denoted by RE of z, and imaginary part is normally denoted by IM of z. So these are the notations. So what we have to show that the real part of z, now real part of z is x. So it means we have to prove that the x is greater than 0. So let's start. So here I'll say let that complex number z is equal to x plus iy. So and we have to prove that x is greater than 0. So guys, let's start with the given conditions. So first of all, it is given that mod of z minus 1, and on the right hand side it is given as mod of z plus 1. So guys, whenever we want to find out the modulus of a complex number, we should have that complex number in standard form. So let's convert, or let's find out the value of z minus 1 and then let's convert it into the standard form. So the value of z minus 1 is equal to, z is x plus iy minus 1. So x is real part, minus 1 is real, so I'll take real together. So x minus 1 plus iy. Similarly, z plus 1 will become x plus 1 plus iy. Now guys, for these two numbers we'll find out the modulus. So therefore, now guys, what is the formula of modulus of a complex number? So it is square root of real part plus square of imaginary part. So when we want to find out this, here I'll take square of x minus 1 and square of y. Similarly, for right hand side I'll take square of x plus 1 and square of y inside the square root. So that will become now guys, to prove that x is greater than 0, we have to solve two sides, and for that I will take square on both sides. So I'll say squaring both sides will get so now guys, basically we are in inequality because here we have a sign of less than. So you must be knowing that if let's say a is less than b, then obviously by squaring a square is also less than b square. So this is the condition, so it will remain same. Now guys, let's solve this bracket. So for that, this will become x square minus 2x plus 1. I'll write here plus y square less than, this will become x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square. Now guys, if I take all terms on left hand side, then this x square will become negative x square and then it will be cancelled with this positive x square. Similarly, y square will be cancelled and 1 will be cancelled. So it means what is remaining? If this 2x is coming on left hand side, that will become minus 4x less than 0. So I'll write here itself that minus 4x less than 0. Now guys, let me ask you the question. If minus 4x is less than 0, then this x has to be positive, because this positive number into negative number will result into negative number, and then only we can say that it is less than 0. Now let's say if x is less than 0 or x is negative, then this will become negative into negative, that is a positive number. So that time this condition holds false. So if we want this condition to be true, then x has to be greater than 0. Then only the multiplication with minus 4 will be less than 0. So from here I'll conclude that therefore x is greater than 0. And guys, this is what the result which is asked in this question. So here we have proved that the real part of z is greater than 0. So I'm sure that you understood this video and you want to learn more videos on engineering mathematics and complex number. So stay tuned with Ekida, where you can get access to thousands of videos at one place. Thank you very much.